Hi! Welcome to Mew Mew's ice cream truck. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome! Mew Mew, please give me an extra large portion of dessert. Cake roll. Strawberry. Egg. Use a bottle to suck up the yolk. Phew! 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 Strawberry jam. Flour. Sugar. Egg yolk. Print a pretty pattern on the cake. Roll the cake. With some delicious ingredients, it will be more attractive. Wow, nice and fluffy cake rolls are ready now. There you go. Please enjoy. The ice treats you have made are so delicious! Wow! You've got fantastic, You've got pieces for a new truck. Let's check them out. Welcome. What should I order? Dessert? Ice cream cone. Watermelon. Let's make the fruit juice. Boom! The ice cream machine is started. Orange. Let's make the fruit juice. Boom! The ice cream has been mixed successfully. Chocolate balls. Turn the handle to grind the ingredients into powder. Boom! The ice cream machine is started. Candy. Turn the handle to grind the ingredients into powder. Boom! The ice cream has been mixed successfully. Next, let's make a cone. Egg. Sugar. Sugar. Blender. Milk. Melted butter. Egg beater. Roll the pancake into a cone. Let's blow on the cone to make it tasty and crispy. Crispy sauce. Then add some toppings to make the ice cream cone more delicious. Our guest surely would love this ice cream. There you go. Please enjoy. This is the best frozen dessert I've ever had. Wow! You've got a big gift box. Fantastic! You've got pieces for a